how can I afford to bake with high quality grains every day? So today I am taking you along for my Azure Standard haul. And if you're new to fresh flour living, sourcing your wheat berries and ancient grains can feel overwhelming. But I have found out that buying in bulk is the secret to keeping a budget-friendly kitchen without sacrificing my quality. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I picked up this month from my favorites, from Einkorn to other staples that I use for my daily sandwich breads that my kids love. And I'm gonna show you what the price is for each product. All right, let's get started. I got 2 things of rice flour for $10.96, which comes out to being about $5.48 each. And the reason why I got organic rice flour is because I line my Banneton basket whenever I make my sourdough loaf. So I've got another video showing you how I do that. Okay, I got 5 of these and the total was $23.06. And the reason why I love these, by the way, we already ate one yesterday, is because these are the ones with avocado oil. I don't get the ones with olive oil because I'm picky about my olive oil. I've just seen all those videos of fake olive oil. So I feel good with getting the avocado oil. I got 5 gamelids for $54.52, and I love these because, all right, see, there's an oops moment. Anyways, because it's a great way for me to store my grains in here and to keep them safe and fresh so that I don't, it doesn't get moisture in here or bugs or, any other kind of debris. And it's really easy to, open and close when I need to get something out of it. I got 2 of these 5-gallon buckets, and I use these to store my grains in, and they were $7.32 each. So the Einkorn bag I got for $58.25, and it is a 25-pound bag, and I love making Einkorn sourdough, and I love making Einkorn brownies. I actually have a recipe and a video where I show you how to make my Einkorn brownies. My kids request these every single week, and they've got some nutrition in them, and they're also chewy and yummy. Oh my gosh, you're gonna thank me for that one. The next one I got is hard white wheat berries, organic obviously, and I got a 50-pound bag for $64.22. And what I love to use these hard white wheat berries for is to make really fluffy sandwich bread. This is my daughter Penelope's favorite bread. And Reeves too, he's my son. They were just asking me last night over dinner, Mommy, when can we get some more of your fluffy bread? And I ran out, so I was so excited. This time I got a 50-pound bag because the last time I got 25 pounds. Kamut is an ancient grain, and I got this one for $38.32, and it is a 25-pound bag. When you mill up Kamut, it is got the most beautiful buttery yellow color. It's just gorgeous. I am also so excited to make pasta out of it because when you see the grains, it reminds you of pasta. I'm excited. I got 25 pounds of rye grain for $16.35. And I'm really excited to make some bread with this. And so this time I got 3 of them for $29.86. And the reason why I love it is because it's real salt, it's unprocessed, and it still has the minerals in it. So we go through salt, like we do a lot of salt. So this will last me for a long time, but I just love to have this in stock. This is a 3-pound glass jar for, how much was it? $19.56. And it is wildflower honey, and it's organic. And I love to use honey in my breads. It's got nutrients in it. Also, it tastes good. But you know what's fun is when you get wildflower honey, you just don't know what it's gonna taste like. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I got 25 pounds of emmer for $49.80. And emmer is an ancient grain, so I am really excited to mill this up and make some recipes with it. I got 3 pounds of butter for $25.06, and I will use all of this to make our sweet treats. And I love having good quality butter. I got the Azure starter for $13.20. I just went ahead and fed it last night. The reason why I got the Azure starter, and by the way, if you are new to making sourdough and you're intimidated by creating your own starter, the Azure starter is got great reviews and it's a great price because I've seen starters out there for like 50 bucks and this one's $13.20. I do have my own starter, which is ready to be made into some sourdough bread today, which I'm going to get to. But the reason why I bought the Azure starter is because I wanted to see if I could taste the difference between their starter and my starter. So it's just a little experiment that I'm doing. But yeah, I recommend that starter if you're, new to sourdough and you don't want to start your starter. The grand total for my Azure Standard haul for this month was $444.66. And in my area, they have the community drop-offs every single month. And I did want to say one of my favorite things to do over a cup of coffee in the mornings is I love going through the catalog because they have their sales in the flyer. It's just really fun for me to plan and think about what I'm going to do for my family. I really hope that you seeing this haul helps you realize that fresh milled flour doesn't have to be a luxury. It's a practical, healthy choice for any home. And sourcing from places like Azure Standard has been a game changer for my family's budget and our health. So if you have any questions about how the drop-off works or what grains you should start with, drop a comment below. I am so happy to help you. So, just please reach out with any questions and I'll see you in the next video.